Well, happy New Year's Eve to everybody tuning into the channel. Thank you guys so much for an amazing 2024. We're going to talk about what Stellar XLM is doing now for the unbanked in Africa. So let's jump into it in this video. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, or follow me on X if you're watching there, and let's get into it. I'm going to keep this relatively short. I am actually heading out with some friends this evening, and I just thought I'd get a quick video in for you guys because I really like what this kind of represents. As you know, I've talked about the unbanked on my channel a few times. We don't realize how lucky we have it where we can just walk into a bank and open a bank account. And not everyone is so fortunate in the world to be able to have access to those types of services. So Fonbnk and Stellar XLM have united together to turn prepaid SIM cards into digital debit cards. So there's 350 million people unbanked in Africa, and only about 20% of families use formal banks. That is a really, really low number. I knew it was low, but I didn't think it was that quite that low. Like 20% of families use formal banks. That's insane. With the integration of the Stellar blockchain, Fonbnk allows users to redeem airtime for USDC and access the world of financial services. So this is basically reaching out to those people around the world that obviously are unbanked and it's kind of an untapped market there. So turn these people into cryptocurrency users, I think, is a great idea. Over 8 billion active prepaid SIM cards worldwide. They connect these phone accounts into a financial interface so that users can engage in the digital economy. So that solves a lot of different issues, right? It's bringing in new people into crypto, exposing them to the XLM network, and giving them financial. I don't want to say freedom, but financial inclusion, right? So Stellar XLM, we're going to take a look at price now. We're talking price. Lost almost half its value from the November peak. So we noticed, this thing was moving really, really fast. And, we've just been in a bit of a slow decline since then. Many technical signals and market conditions indicate a potential revival of the crypto in the near future, however. So this is important to keep in mind. XLM USD is in the falling wedge structure, which is considered the reversal pattern. So should a breakout happen, analysts believe the initial target will be about 50 cents. So that's about 50% above the current price level. Support for this prediction stems from Fibonacci retracement levels, 61.8% level at 29.7 cents is anticipated as the potential bottom for XLM. The RSI is also nearing oversold territory, also indicating that we could see a reversal. So we could see a possible rebound in January. And as of this writing, let's just go over and we're going to get actual real-time data here as well. So we can see the overall market's not really doing a whole heck of a lot today. And Stellar XLM right now sitting at about 33 cents. So nothing's really moving much today. We're not seeing a whole heck of a lot of anything other than the few outliers that are in the green today in the last 24 hours. We can see them here on the list. And, Bitcoin is just kind of sitting around doing its thing, not really doing a whole heck of a lot. 93.4 right now. So things are just kind of blah at this moment. I'm anticipating we're going to see some profit taking, some tax loss harvesting, that kind of thing towards into the new year. And hopefully we will get back on track and get some positive momentum moving in the market again. I mean, I'm anticipating we're going to see, obviously we're going to see President Trump take office on the 20th. Gary Gensler is going to be stepping down. We're going to see a number of different things take shape here. So we'll have to wait and see what happens with that. And of course, I'll be around. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Like I mentioned, follow me on X if you're watching over there as well. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace. Have a great night. Oh, and by the way, please, guys, stay safe. Don't drink and drive. Always have a plan to get home, all that good stuff. It's something that I always like to preach, even to my friends and such. You just never know who might, need to hear that. So save yourself some money, put some money aside, make sure you guys get a cab home safe, and make sure that you're there on New Year's for your family. So have a great one, and make sure you're